Nutrition Facts Table for Food Label. Most prepackaged food products sold in Canada must have product labels, in accordance with the requirements of the Customer Protection for the Safe Food for Canadian Regulation. The trickiest part is not the design or wording, but getting the accurate nutrition. So, the common questions now became: how do I get the Nutrition Facts Table for Nutrition Facts Table format? It is important to note that the format of NFT varies depending on the available display surface for your food. The following information is mandatory for food label: serving size, energy value, amount of fat, amount of saturated, amount of trans fatty acids, the sum of saturated fatty acids and trans fatty acids, amount of cholesterol, amount of sodium, amount of carbohydrate, amount of fiber, amount of protein, amount of potassium, amount of calcium, amount of iron. Please be aware of the font size, type, bold/italic and weight/volume sign to ensure that they meet the. How do you develop a nutritional facts table? There are 3 ways that you can develop a nutritional facts table information, and they are summarized. Lab analysis. In this method, you will send your products to the local laboratory for nutrition analysis. The cost varies, but it wouldn't be cheap. NFT software generator. The NFT software generator utilizes a combination of both public data such as CFIA or US FDA nutrient database, and user-uploaded data, nutrient information from supplier, and product recipe to generate a nutrition fact. In this method, considerations for processing are often not accounted for, and therefore, the actual nutrient values may be more or less than the generated NFT. Spreadsheet calculation. This method is very similar to the NFT software generator but runs manually. These processes can be tedious and time-consuming. Compromise. Although software NFT generators are not the most accurate method, it is the closest and least common. What can SFPM Consulting help you? SFPM Consulting can help you generate an NFT using software or help guide you to the right laboratory to perform analysis for your food product. The following are examples of food exempted from having an NFT. A beverage with an alcohol content of more than 0.5%, B.01.412 BI, F. Sold only at a roadside stand, craft show, flea market, fair, farmer's market or sugar bush by the individual who prepares.